Welcome back to Samirazi Fashion, home of trendy styles. Today's video is very interesting because we are making this video to answer some of your questions about simple way to cut and sew peplo and carrot top with a bob sleeve. So sit back and watch to the end. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be the first to see our amazing videos on how to cut and sew on your own. Thank you.
So this is the material that we have for the peplum top. So we are going to fold our material. This is the front side. So when cutting your material, you have to turn it to that side, like the back side. So now I'm turning it to the back side to cut our peplum. So you fold it, your cloth must be on fold, and you will fold it again. So now I've folded it again. So we will check to see how the peplum will go, whether it will enter on this folding that we have folded. Let me check it. Yes, this one will be enough. Everything here is 14, so it will be enough for the measurements of the person that we want to measure. So now our peplum on this is not triangle peplum. This one is 33.6 degrees. So this is it. It's not 180 degrees, it's 336 degrees. So this is it. So now the waist of the measurement is 29. So I'm marking 5. I'm marking 5. That's how we mark the 5 round to get the waist measurement. So I'm continue marking 5. Continue marking 5. So this is it. And you connect everything together. So, and we said our waist measurement is 29. So let's check whether this has entered the waist measurement. Yes, it has entered because the waist is 29. Everything that we have here now is 34. That is 8.5 that we got in. And because we are going to use it to sew round and get our allowance for the zip. So this one is enough. So the length now of the peplum is 8.5. So I'm doing 8.5 here. I hope you don't mind the chop. This 8.5. So that's how we also connect and continue to mark the 8.5 on that line that we've gotten our 5, like the waist measurement, the waistline. So that's how you connect it again. Just be connecting it that 8.5. Continue 8.5, 8.5, 8.5. So we have gotten that 8.5 round. Connect it together. Connecting. There's it. There's it. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the connection? So this is the length of our paper that we want to use now on our material. So we are done with the peplum. The peplum is so easy as you can see here. So what is to cut it out. So I'm cutting it out it now. Cutting it by the waist side. Come to this side and cut. As I've said before, it's not a triangle cutting. 360-degree cutting. It's not 180. So this is it. You open it, this is it. So it will go for the person that we just finished cutting now. So this is it. You can see the peplum. See the way it is. Very easy. So now are done with that, with our peplum. So we are going to cut the upper side, that the top, and our cutting is up shoulder. We are making up shoulder cutting at the upper side. So this is it. Yes. This is enough for the person that we are cutting for. So up shoulder is a style that you want cut, and when cutting it, you remove from the shoulder with your tape rule. You remove whatever you want to use as the sleeve with your tape rule. Now we are removing 4 to get our measurement, our half length measurement. For the person half length measurement is 16. So I'm making it 17. Because after sewing from here and sewing to join your peplum, you come back to that 16. So we are removing that 4 and mark 17. But the actual measurement of the half length is 16. So this is it. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So this is it. Let me check again. The bust is 35. Let's take it back. This is too much. Yes, this should be okay. This should be okay for the measurement. So now we start the neck measurement. We are giving this person 4. You mark the 4. Is 4. So the bust, you move your shoulder. That's what that we are moving to get our armhole. You know it's off shoulder, so it doesn't dip so much. And you know this person doesn't have much bust like that. So we are marking 7. So on that line of that 7 that we got, that's where we got our bust measurement. So our bust measurement is 35. This is our 35. Mark. I put an allowance. We are putting 2-inch allowance. That's it. So your half length is where you get your waist measurement. Your half length line is where you get your waist measurement. The waist measurement of this person is 29. So you divide 29 by 4. What will it give you? This is what will give you 7.2. In between 7 and half. So this is measurement. So you now add your 1-inch allowance for the darts. Don't forget, add your 1-inch for the darts and your half length measurement, because that's where you get your waist measurement. So you've gotten it now. And you now added your allowance. Remember to add your allowance where cutting and the material. So this is it. You have gotten it. So you connect. Very easy. Connect it from the bust to the waist. You connect on that line that you added your allowance. So this is it. And you connect your armhole to your bust line. This is it. This is how you gotten your up shoulder cut. And the neck, we are making it sweetheart neck. So what we just do to get the deepness of the cleavage, we are marking 2. Like the cleavage of the neck is 2. So this I do the sweetheart. Very easy. So I hope you can see it clearly now. What next? We are cutting. So I'm cutting it now. cutting it now. This is it. That is it. We have gotten the front measurement. This is it. I hope you are seeing it clearly. This is it. So now we are cutting the back side now. I'm taking it this way because of our material. So now we lay it. We are making the back side. Don't forget to put your allowance measurement for the zip, and that's what I'm doing here now. So you mark. So this is the allowance side of the back. All what you just do now is to cut, just to trace it and cut, because there's no need of measuring again, because we have already gotten our measurement from this front side. So just the allowance side that we just put now. So I'm cut. The back side, it depends on the neck you want. If it's one neck, fine. Depending on the neck that you want. So I'm making this one a round neck. So that is it. To cut. Now it's one side of the back that I just finished cutting. So this is it. So you take it away. So this is our back side, and of the back side. I'm trying to do this because of our fabric. So now you lay the other side of it. So this is it. So this is it. Just trying to lay it well. So I'm cutting. So I'm cutting it. This is it. So this is our upper top that we just finished cutting. So this is how we have cut our material. That is our top Accra peplum with bob. When finishing the sewing, we will show you the other side of how to cut the bob sleeve. So this is it. So thank you.
We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Hope it is helpful to you. Click the subscribe button right above my video to subscribe now, and turn on your notification button so that whenever we have new videos, you'll be the first to watch it and you'll be able to watch my videos. My next video will be how to cut bob sleeve. Thank you for watching. Merci.